Most popular Saudi meat dishes in Saudi Arabia. 06 Mofatah al-Dajaj. Mofatah al-Dajaj is a traditional Saudi Arabian dish consisting of chicken pieces served over a bed of aromatic basmati rice. Sautéed pieces of chicken are typically cooked in water with cinnamon sticks, green cardamom, dried lemon, lumi, galangal root, Thai ginger, and shaiba leaves, black stone flower. 5 Mataziz. Mataziz is a traditional Saudi Arabian dish consisting of flat dumplings that are cooked and served in a rich stew of meat, vegetables, tomato sauce, and spices. Lamb is the most common choice of meat for the stew, while the combination of vegetables may include cauliflowers, eggplants, carrots, pumpkins, zucchinis, tomatoes, and onions. A mix of spices such as cumin, cinnamon, lumi, dried limes, bahar spice blend, and black pepper is often added to the dish for extra flavor. 4 Jalamah. Jalamah is a lamb specialty that has traditionally been prepared in the Saudi Arabian region of Asir. It consists of pieces of very young lamb meat that's cooked with fat, onions, and a blend of Arabic spices such as cardamom, cinnamon, coriander, and black pepper. The dish is usually accompanied by rice or flatbread on the side to soak up the flavorful gravy. This specialty is usually prepared on festive occasions such as the Eid al-Adha festival. 3 Dajaj Mashwi. Dajaj Mashwi is a Saudi Arabian barbecue specialty made with boneless chicken breasts that are pounded thin, marinated, and grilled. Typical ingredients for marinating the meat include spice powders and dried herbs such as paprika or red chili powder, ginger, garlic, onion, black pepper, salt, oil, and lime juice. Spicy and succulent, the chicken is typically accompanied by a garlic dipping sauce and a mixed salad on the side, but it can also be accompanied by couscous, Arabian pilaf, and soups. 2 Salig. Hailing from Hijaz, salig is a traditional Saudi Arabian rice dish consisting of creamy, porridge-like short grain rice and roasted meat. Chicken is the most common meat choice, and it is typically boiled in water with spices before it is roasted. This dish uses a combination of the broth in which the meat has been cooking, hot water, and optional mastic tear to boil the rice. The boiled rice is then combined with milk and ghee or butter, and cooked until it reaches the desired consistency. A large serving platter, tabassi, is traditionally used for serving salig, and the roasted meat is usually placed on top of the rice. 1 Gursan. Gursan is one of Saudi Arabian national dishes made by placing dry, paper-thin sheets of bread atop meat and vegetables in a broth until the bread pieces soak up all of the flavorful juices. The final result is not soupy, but thick, nourishing, and hearty, which is why the dish is loved throughout the country.